One city at a time, from thousands of feet in the air. The chaos of streets, the hum of traffic, the millions of lives unfolding simultaneously, all of it suddenly becomes a breathtaking tapestry of geometry, color, and light. When you lift off the ground and rise above the skyline, the world transforms. What once felt overwhelming becomes elegant. What once felt ordinary becomes extraordinary. And when that view is captured in 8K high-definition video, every single detail comes alive in ways that feel almost impossible to believe. The sharpness is not just visual, it is emotional. You see the veins of highways stretching toward the horizon, the glittering surfaces of rivers cutting through urban landscapes, and the intricate patchwork of neighborhoods that tell the story of how people choose to live together. No aerial journey across the United States could begin anywhere other than New York City. From above, Manhattan is almost incomprehensible in its density. The island is a narrow strip of land packed with some of the tallest and most iconic structures ever built by human hands. In 8K resolution, you can trace the shadow of the Empire State Building as it stretches across Midtown like a sundial, marking the hours of a city that never sleeps. Central Park appears as a perfectly rectangular slab of green pressed between walls of glass and steel, a deliberate breath of nature in the middle of relentless ambition. The 5 boroughs spread outward in every direction, connected by bridges that look like delicate threads of silver stitching the city together. The Hudson River shimmers on one side, the East River on the other, and the Atlantic Ocean waits just beyond the horizon. From this height, New York does not feel chaotic. It feels inevitable, like something the Earth itself was always building toward. Moving west, the skyline of Chicago rises from the flat expanse of the Midwest like a declaration. Chicago is a city that has always taken architecture seriously, and from above, that passion is undeniable. The grid of streets below is almost mathematically perfect, a legacy of the city's rebuilding after the Great Fire of 1871. Lake Michigan stretches endlessly to the east, its deep blue surface reflecting the sky in ways that make it difficult to tell where water ends and atmosphere begins. The Chicago River winds through the downtown core, its green-tinted waters threading between towers of glass and stone. In 8K high definition, the textures of those towers become almost tactile. You can see the individual panels of glass, the steel frameworks, the rooftop gardens that have quietly taken root above the noise of the streets. Chicago from the air is a city that rewards patience. The longer you look, the more you discover. Los Angeles defies the traditional idea of what a city should look like. There is no single center, no obvious heart. Instead, it sprawls across the basin between the Pacific Ocean and the San Gabriel Mountains in a vast, sun-drenched web of neighborhoods, freeways, and communities that each feel like their own world. From above in 8K resolution, the scale of Los Angeles is genuinely staggering. The freeways are rivers of concrete that carry millions of people every single day. And from this height, the patterns of traffic flow look almost like the circulatory system of a living organism. The Pacific Coast Highway hugs the edge of the continent, and the beaches of Santa Monica and Malibu glow white against the deep blue of the ocean. The Hollywood Hills rise in the north, and somewhere among those ridges, the famous sign stands watch over the city that built the dream factory of the modern world. At golden hour, Los Angeles becomes something else entirely. A city bathed in amber and rose, its endless grid dissolving into pure light. Few cities in the United States sit in as dramatic a natural setting as Miami. Perched at the southeastern tip of Florida, surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean to the east and the vast wetlands of the Everglades to the west, Miami from above looks like a city that has been carefully placed at the edge of the world. The turquoise waters of Biscayne Bay separate Miami Beach from the mainland, and in 8K high definition, the color of that water is almost unreal. shifting from pale aquamarine in the shallows to deep sapphire further out. The Art Deco architecture of South Beach forms a pastel-colored ribbon along the coastline, its low-rise buildings standing in deliberate contrast to the gleaming towers of downtown. The causeways connecting the barrier islands to the mainland look like thin lines drawn across the water, and the boats moving through the bay leave white trails that slowly dissolve into the blue. Miami from the air is a reminder that some cities are not just built, they are discovered. San Francisco is a city that was never supposed to be easy to build. The terrain is unforgiving: steep hills, a narrow peninsula, and a bay that separates the city from the rest of the region. And yet, from above, all of that difficulty becomes beauty. The Golden Gate Bridge appears in 8K resolution as something almost mythological, its towers rising through the morning fog, its cables catching the light in ways that make the entire structure seem to glow. The city's famous hills create a three-dimensional landscape that no flat map can ever fully capture. From above, you can see how the neighborhoods stack and tumble down toward the water, how the streets climb and descend in patterns that seem almost defiant. Alcatraz sits in the middle of the bay like a punctuation mark, and the Bay Bridge stretches eastward toward Oakland in a long, graceful arc. San Francisco from the air is a city that looks like it was designed by someone who understood that beauty and difficulty are often the same thing. Washington, District of Columbia, was designed from the very beginning to be seen from above. Pierre Charles L'Enfant's original plan for the capital was a vision of grand avenues radiating outward from central points, creating a city that expressed the ideals of democracy through its very geometry. From above in 8K resolution, that vision is fully realized. The National Mall stretches from the Capitol building to the Lincoln Memorial in a long green corridor of national memory. The Washington Monument rises from the center of the city like a needle pointing toward the sky, and the reflecting pool mirrors the clouds above in a perfect rectangle of still water. The Potomac River curves along the western edge of the city, and across its banks, Arlington National Cemetery spreads in rows of white markers that are heartbreaking in their precision. Washington from the air is not just a city, it is an argument. A statement made in stone and space about what this country believes itself to be. The view from above does not diminish the human scale of these places. It reveals it. You begin to understand cities differently. You see how they grow, how they respond to geography, how they carry the weight of history in their street patterns and their skylines. New York's density tells the story of immigration and ambition. Chicago's grid speaks of reinvention after catastrophe. Los Angeles's sprawl reflects a culture built on mobility and possibility. Miami's relationship with water reveals a city always negotiating with nature. San Francisco's hills and bridges show what human determination can accomplish in the face of difficult terrain. And Washington's deliberate geometry reminds us that cities are not just places where people live. They are expressions of values, of beliefs, of the stories a society tells about itself.